Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first Privacity podcast. My name is Kate Tilbers. I'm Data Protection Officer and Privacy Counsel here at Privacity. And you may also say hi to my colleague Anton Tarasukova here.
Good day. Happy to have you here and happy to be here as well.
So, Anton, we are both data protection and privacy professionals. We work here together to tackle the most sophisticated privacy problem that an enterprise may encounter. We advise various businesses, from games, for example, to retail and manufacturing. And we want to record this podcast. Why? What is this particular podcast is going to be about?
Well, I think it's worth mentioning also that we are both LLM and both CPE. It's also a magnificent detail, I think. And what will we talk about in this podcast? We will have different guests here actually who will involve in discussions on privacy issues that take place because of challenges that are bring to us by the technologies development. For example, we will talk about different AI and privacy challenges. We will talk about machine learning things and how do they impact on privacy of people, of data subject. We will talk about technical aspects of GDPR implementations. And of course, we will talk about privacy culture and how to implement it in organizations effectively.
Uh-huh. But where our listeners can find us?
Well, we plan to be on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and on our YouTube channel.
Okay, great. So let's talk about privacy first. If somebody goes to a website, they may be puzzled by the rows, and traffic and architecture and company name. So what does privacy mean, and what does privacy have in common with cities?
Well, this concept is built on on trust, like everything in privacy. And when we started to this idea, we thought that building privacy culture and building privacy program is same as building the city. And when I mean the city, I mean we have to have great interaction between different districts in order to this city to be effective. Imagine citizens as data subjects moving all around in traffic jams, for example, from district to district. And here we have different districts in a company. For example, marketing districts, engineering districts, DPO district as a major, maybe some police district as well, and so on. And all these districts, as company departments in real life, take part in information processing, personal data processing. Some of them develop different rules, like, for example, privacy department, or some of them actually use that rules, for example, sales department or marketing department. And the goal of this idea is to assure the effective interaction between these districts, between stakeholders, in order to build truly effective privacy programs that care about the people.
Mhm. So now we have the podcast. It will be called Privacity Chronicles. And are we going to invite anyone? Who do we want to see, and what do we want to share with people?
Yeah, basically we can talk just two of us about different privacy things, but I think it will be more interesting if we will have some different guests. We already have some arrangements with some US attorneys who practice privacy in US. Also, I will focus on different technical guys and girls who will talk about privacy technical aspects. It will be interesting, and I think we will also have some guests from Japan, for example, and see what privacy issues they have there, and it will be fun and interesting.
Okay, so thank you, Anton, for sharing the company's goals and visions and your plans regarding this Privacity podcast. So, anything you would like to share before we stop recording?
I think that we should share the magnificent news one more time that we've started. Subscribe right now, and you won't regret, I hope.
Thank you for the short and sweet interview, and thanks to our listeners who joined us for this introduction. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon. Stay tuned.
See you soon. Bye.